In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import or add customers and vendors in Zoho Books. This process is essential for managing your business contacts efficiently, whether you're setting up Zoho Books for the first time or updating your existing database. Let's start with adding customers and vendors individually. Begin by navigating to the module you need. Click on Sales for Customers or Purchases for Vendors, which you'll find on the left-hand sidebar. Once you've opened the appropriate section, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Plus New button. This will open up a form where you can start entering the necessary contact details. In this form, you'll be asked to fill in basic information such as the name, email, and address. It's important to fill out these fields accurately, as they form the foundation for future transactions and communications. Additionally, for customers, you'll need to specify their tax preferences as well as the billing and shipping addresses. This ensures that all financial transactions are processed smoothly and comply with tax regulations. On the other hand, for vendors, you'll need to enter relevant company details. This includes fields like company name, address, and email, ensuring that all your vendor interactions are properly logged. After inputting the required information, review it for accuracy. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, go ahead and click Save to add the contact to your database. This method is great for smaller businesses or when handling a smaller set of contacts, as it allows for detailed, customized entries for each customer or vendor. Now let's talk about importing customers and vendors in bulk, which is particularly useful for larger datasets. First, navigate back to the Sales section and click on Customers, or head to Purchases and select Vendors, depending on what you need to import. Once there, look for the More icon, which appears as 3 dots in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you can choose either Import Customers or Import Vendors, depending on your needs. After selecting the appropriate option, click Continue to proceed. You'll then see the Choose File option, which allows you to upload your data file. Zoho Books supports CSV, TSV, or XLS files, so ensure your data is formatted accordingly. If you're unsure about formatting, you can download a sample file from Zoho Books to use as a template. Once your file is ready and uploaded, click Next. This prompts you to map the fields in your file to the corresponding fields in Zoho Books. Proper mapping is crucial as it ensures that all data is placed correctly in the system. Double-check your mappings to prevent errors. When everything is mapped correctly, finalize the process by clicking Import. And that's it. Whether you're adding a handful of contacts individually or importing a large batch, you now have the tools you need to efficiently manage your customers and vendors in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need guidance.